Today I'm going to introduce you to the mad lads of anime YouTube. Although I'm sure you've already met them at some point. Who am I talking about, you ask? I'm talking about people who re-upload full anime episodes on YouTube. As you can imagine, this is quite a shady business. And with any shady business, it had to adapt to survive. So let's go back in time. It's 2008. You're a spurgy middle school student. Times were great back then. Not a care in the world, just snacking on Lunchables while hanging with the boys, spelling cool words on a calculator. So after drooling your way through another day of public school, you go home, dial up the modem, and jump onto YouTube to watch an entire anime through a series of short, chopped up clips. And boy, were you excited to see that someone uploaded Inuyasha Episode 5 Part 69. It may have been tedious back then, but it was easy to find anime on YouTube. But just like your blissful childhood happiness, things were about to change. YouTube and anime studios began to crack down on these channels, pushing them further into the underground. Did these channels simply lay down and accept defeat? No. Like an autistic phoenix, they rose from the ashes and learned to adapt and develop new ways to avoid detection. These channels employed several strategies to avoid being caught, applying a mirror effect, changing the color pattern, changing the size. But no matter what, these channels still got struck down. But amazingly, these channels continue to push forward to this day. Like cockroaches, it seems like nothing can destroy them. You kill one channel, and several more take its place. So if you can't afford Crunchyroll, Funimation, Hulu, Netflix, or maybe you're too scared to use other sources, YouTube remains the last frontier for these band of thieves trying to push their supply of anime episodes to a seemingly omnipresent audience. I may not like them, but I have to respect the tenacity of these mad lads. You ask for it, and against all odds, they give you a mirrored 144p translucently colored small blip on the screen with sped up audio version of the anime you wanted to see. They truly are the mad lads of anime YouTube.